President Rodrigo Duterte says the 1986 EDSA revolution should inspire Filipinos to value and protect democratic rights. Duterte says, "I am hopeful that this occasion will inspire all of us, especially the younger generation, to deeply value the freedom and liberty that we won in EDSA. Let us never forget the sacrifice of those who came before us, so that we may always be motivated to preserve and protect the democratic way of life that we enjoy today." The EDSA revolution is a globally acclaimed bloodless movement that overthrew dictator Ferdinand Marcos and restored democracy to the Philippines.